Hello guys, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix iPhone 15 Pro Max's not charging issue, which is happening for many of these right now, and how we can fix this up. The first one is all about when you're having this particular trouble, what we need to do is we just need to force restart your iPhone. This is what you have to do. So to do a force restart, we have to press volume up followed by volume down, and we have to press the power button unless and until we see the Apple logo. So once the forced restart is done, what you need to do is we just need to, after the forced restart is successfully done, we just need to move to the next step. So let me do this up. So I have to press the volume up followed by volume down, and I have to press the power button unless and until I see the Apple logo. So I'm keep pressing it. You have to keep on doing this. When you see the Apple logo, just remove it, and now I can see the Apple logo and I'm fine with this. So once you see the Apple logo, just wait because the phone has to get loaded up once again. Afterwards, check whether the issue is solved or not. Most probably, as far as I'm concerned, the forced restart is one of the main fix for many of these kind of issues. So you can try with the forced restart. So once you're done with this one, just need to go over here. You have to use the get into the iPhone by giving the respective passcode. And once done, you have to try whether the issue is solved or not. If that is not working, we have to move to the second step. That is all about we need to cross-check the charger, which is very important. So you have to cross-check the charger as well as the cable, which is very important. So you have to do a cross-check. If that is not the case, we have to also parallelly check the power socket. You have to try using the iPhone or connect the iPhone to a new socket, and you have to make sure that the issue is not with the socket. So try with all these basic steps. Still, if you're having the issue, do not worry, I'm still here to help you guys out. That is all about the fourth step. That is all about we have to enable the battery optimization. So tap over here in the settings, and we have to scroll down and navigate to over here, battery, and from here we just need to tap on battery and charging. Over here, as you can see, there is an option called optimized battery charging, and this has to be turned on. If this is turned off, we have to turn this on, and once you turn this off, we just need to go back, and what we need to do is we have to cross check. Fifth step is all about we have to clean the charging port. So right now, as you can see, this is my charging port. Sometimes this even get completely filled with debris and even many dirt, so you have to remove the debris and dirt. And once you remove all these kind of things, try connecting back the charger once again and try, and that will be working fine as well. Last one is all about you can try updating the software, because software update will be working fine as well, and it did work for many users. So just tap over here in the settings. Now from here, let me go back, and from here we have to go to general, tap on the general. Now from here, go to software update, and over here you have to cross check. So as far as I'm concerned, I think I'm having iOS 17.0.2 update is available for me. So if that is available, I'm on iOS 17, but the latest version 17.0.2 is rolled out. So if that is the case, we have to update the iOS, and once you update the iOS, what you need to do is, as you can see, 17.0.3 is rolled out right now, and I'm having the option to update now as well as update tonight option. So you can try update now option, and once it is updated, is successfully done, try, and most probably this will be completely fixed. And these are the possible workarounds, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.